Welcome back. In previous we will discuss about omitting the HTML tags, HTML5 tags, and see the result in the browser of our document. So now we will discuss about the HTML style, how we can include style in the head section by omitting the head tag. So for styling, the style element is used to define the style information for an HTML document. Inside the style element, you specify how HTML element should render in a browser. So we can use the styling in three ways: inline styling, internal styling, and external styling by using the external CSS file. So I just open the viewer and edit this document to better understand the style element. So I just remove the head tag and want to include style in the HTML5 document. I just copy the paragraph and heading and paste inside the body tag, and here I will create the style element. So just write style and style, and inside the style element I will first style the body and its background color. Let's say choose color something like blue. So this is for body, and for paragraph I just want to change the text color. So I will just write the CSS property color is equal to let's say color should be like red. So save this document and see in the browser. This is the styling for body element, for HTML element without using the head element. So I have saved this document and run in the browser, and you can see that the whole body color has been changed into blue, and the text color for paragraph is red. This is the HTML styling without using the head tag, and moreover we also include some links and meta tag without using the head element. What is a link element? The link element defines the page related to an external resource, which will be external style sheet or anything else which we can include in our HTML document. The link element is most often used to link to style sheets, and for the style sheet we should create a new document, CSS create, and let's say define some CSS for H1. You can write any CSS here, but just define the H1 background color and it's the text color. Let's say text color is yellow. So here we go. I have saved this document as style.css at desktop, so that we can include document directly to our HTML document, and select the style sheet.css. .css. So I have saved this document. Now if we want to include, then just write the link tag and include this style sheet. For this I write the link rel Rel means the relationship of this link, which is the style sheet, and the hyper reference is equal to the path of this style sheet. I browse this button and pick the CSS file, which is the style.css, and OK, and that's it. This file style sheet has been included, and close this style sheet link tag, and now save and run in the browser. Then heading color and background color will be changed, and you can also specify the type, which is text or CSS, but if we can do not specify, then it will also work properly. Now you will see that when I refresh the page, the color of text and background color for heading has been changed. So this is the HTML style element, and without using the head element. The next thing is the HTML meta element, right? And the meta element is used to specify page description, keyword, author, and other metadata. So metadata is used by browser how to display content by search engines, that is keywords, and other web services. Now I here define the meta tag and some of the examples for meta tag. So for meta tag, you have already discussed that you can use the keyword and description, author name, or character set, and etc. Anything you can define in meta tag will display in will not display in browser, but will help in our SEO purposes. So for meta tag, I just define the meta and write some name in it. Here I will start the meta tag. Meta, and name keyword, and you can find here content these keywords about our website, HTML tutorials, CSS tutorials, PS tutorials, or anything you can write here about your website keywords. I have just defined some keywords, create tutorials or video lectures. So these are the keywords tag, meta tag for keywords, and if we want to include the description in meta tag, we can also include the description tag and give this name as description, and content. Content will be like a sentence for description. So here create a new meta tag and give this name as description. Name is equal to double quotation, and here I write description and content. Here we will write our sentence about the description of our blog or website. So let's say free web tutorials on HTML or CSS, or free Photoshop tutorials, or free graphics tutorials, anything you can write here. Free web and graphics designing tutorials. So see description, and I close this tag. These are about the meta tag, and you can also specify other meta tags, which are the about author and UTF-8, char set, or any other which you when you want to use in your head element, you can use them without using the head element in HTML5, because we have omitted the head element in HTML5, but this page will work properly in HTML5. When we refresh, nothing will display, but when we inspect, then the meta tag will display in the browser window. So these are about the meta tags, and the next thing is HTML script element. So for HTML script, I just create a script tag and place some function, JavaScript function, and give this function ID, and write some code here in my HTML body tag. So let's say PID demo and slash p. This is a paragraph, and slash p means we have stop this paragraph or end this paragraph. So just create a type button, and on click we give this function, let's say my function, which is a JavaScript function, and this code will display our JavaScript text in our HTML text or document. Slash button, and here just try it. When we click this button, then it will display hello JavaScript, because we have created a function for this element. So I did that. You can see this is the paragraph text, and when we click try it, this text will be changed, and you can see the text now have been changed into hello JavaScript, which is we have written in our function or our JavaScript function. So this is about the HTML and JavaScript, and by without using the head tag. Next thing is the base. And what is the base? In base we define the behavior of links. The base element specifies the base URL and base target for all relative URLs in a page. So I just create base target is equal to blank, and I should also create a link in my HTML document or body. I just start a link, and end this link before the paragraph, because I have started this after the paragraph. Slash it. Now when I click this link, the new this page will be open in a new tab, and this is not for one link, it is used again for all the links in our document. When we click, this document has been opened in a new tab. So this is the base element used to open the links or control the behavior of links. So these are the HTML headings, HTML head element, and all about the tags of heading HTML head.